From a gentle drizzle to a mighty downpour, San Francisco faces a storm like never before. This isn't just rain, it's a deluge that could rewrite the city's relationship with the weather. Welcome to Meteor Mind, where we dive into the heart of the storm. Today, we're witnessing San Francisco as it battles an extraordinary weather event. Stay with us as we explore the here and now of the city's rainy reckoning. San Francisco's streets are awash as the city faces an onslaught of rain, challenging us to navigate through the wet and the wild. But San Francisco isn't standing still. With a citywide effort to stem the flood, barriers rise and drains clear, showcasing a city geared up against the tide. And it's not just about weathering the storm alone. It's about community, about sharing shelter and strength. In San Francisco, every raindrop brings us closer. As the rain recedes, San Francisco stands as a testament to resilience, a city that not only faces the storm, but thrives beyond it. For more stories of resilience and real-time weather updates, don't forget to hit subscribe. Stay safe, stay informed, and see you in the next video.